Hi everyone, today we are solving another warm-up challenge from the interview preparation kit from HackerRank. The problem today is called repeated string. So the problem is the following. There is a string S of lowercase English letters that is repeated infinitely many times. Given an integer n, find and print the number of letter A in the first n letters of the infinite string. So they are gonna give us a small string, and this string repeats many times infinitely, and we need to find the occurrence. So how many times the letter A appears in the first 10 letters of this string. And as you can see in the example, appears 4 times. So what we're gonna do is the following. We have a variable count for counting how many times we're gonna find the letter A in the first n characters in the string. So we're gonna parse through the string in once to count how many times the A appears in the one small string. And then we count 1 if we find in one small string. Okay, but it is going to repeat, and but we don't care how many infinite times we repeat. We only care what is the n number. And if the n number is a even number, this first calculation is gonna give us the final and the final amount of occurrence of A, because it's gonna divide evenly with the amount size of the string S and how many times we need to go through, which is n. So if they are both even, we're gonna find if the n is divisible by the length of the string, then we only need this calculation to get the right amount. But if the n is not divisible by the length of the string, we need to have it going through another range, and this time the range is the rest of the module calculation of n module of the length of S. So let's say if like the result of n module length of S is 1, is only going through 1, and if this one leftover letter is an A, we're gonna count it again just to compute. And then return count. So yeah, now let's check if we get it right. And we got all the cases correctly, and no problems with the runtime. So that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.